As we go about our daily lives, the vast cosmos continues to intrigue and amaze us with its celestial wonders. Today, we're in for a cosmic treat as a stadium-sized asteroid, named 2023 MG6, makes its grand entrance, whizzing by our planet at an astonishing 44,562 km per hour. Fear not, as it won't be paying us a direct visit, staying at a safe distance of 2.26 million miles. But this astronomical event opens a window to explore asteroids, their role in shaping Earth's past, and what the future holds in the captivating dance between space and our home. Asteroids have been active participants in the cosmic ballet for eons. Our vigilant guardians, NASA, tell us that this isn't 2023 MG6's first rendezvous with celestial bodies. Before its cosmic tango with Earth, it graced Jupiter's presence in 1943 and Earth's in 1944. The asteroid's impressive size, spanning 910 feet, classifies it as a stadium-sized space rock. But this cosmic choreography doesn't end here. Buckle up, as NASA's Asteroid Watch dashboard reveals that 4 more asteroids are set to fly by Earth within the next 4 days, although none quite as colossal as 2023 MG6. In a cosmic concert of celestial proportions, 2023 NY, a 44-foot asteroid, almost the size of 35 chickens, had its turn yesterday, arriving at a distance of 2.75 million miles. Not far behind, 3 airplane-sized asteroids, ranging between 100 to 190 feet, are primed to make their grand entrance on 16 July 2018 and 19. While these space rocks keep a respectful distance from Earth, the curiosity to explore our cosmic neighbors grows stronger. NASA's Asteroid Watch dashboard diligently tracks asteroids and comets, serving as our cosmic GPS, alerting us to close approaches to Earth. The dashboard delivers vital data, such as object diameter and proximity to our planet, for the next 5 Earth approaches, each within a 7.5 million kilometer range. Asteroids larger than 150 meters, capable of approaching Earth within this distance, are deemed potentially hazardous objects, warranting our attention. But before we succumb to visions of menacing asteroids, let's take a moment to catch our breath. Modern-day astronomers have diligently scanned the heavens, identifying over 90% of planet-killer asteroids, those over half a mile in size, near Earth's vicinity. Rest assured, there is no known threat of collision from these cosmic behemoths for the next century. Even in the next 1,000 years, the likelihood of an impact is exceedingly low. Intriguingly, our solar system's early days were anything but calm. Planets and moons bore witness to fiery rocks raining from the skies, leaving behind nearly 190 impact craters on Earth. As geologists sift through these craters, they piece together Earth's tumultuous cosmic past. The Vredefort crater in present-day South Africa tells a story from some 2 billion years ago when an asteroid over 6 miles wide smashed into Earth. The colossal 112 to 186 mile wide crater, the world's oldest and largest, is a reminder of our planet's violent cosmic origins. As our understanding of the cosmos advances, so does our ability to safeguard our home. NASA's Double Asteroid Redirection Test (DART) mission offers hope for defending Earth from future asteroid impacts. By successfully altering an asteroid's orbit, this groundbreaking mission showcases our capacity to steer space rocks away from harm's way. So, as we revel in the celestial display of 2023 MG6 graceful flyby, let's cherish our cosmic heritage. The stars above are not just distant points of light, they are part of our cosmic journey. We stand at the cusp of a new era of space exploration, where the stars themselves beckon us to unlock the secrets of our universe. As we gaze up into the night sky, let us marvel at the countless wonders that surround us, reminding us that we are but a small part of the grand cosmic tapestry.